Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the bestseller section on AliExpress. So let's get straight into the video. So using the AliExpress bestseller section in 2026 involves leveraging built-in platform data, category-specific rankings, and validation tools to identify high-demand products for personal buying or drop shipping. So the platform prioritizes items with high sales velocity, positive reviews, and a choice badge. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and use the top ranking section, navigate to specific categories to find the top ranking section, which displays the top 50 products based on recent orders, sales velocity, and reviews. You can also simply go ahead and leverage the choice products. These are going to be the products with the choice badge, as these often offer faster shipping, better quality control, and bundle discounts, making them safer bets for quality. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.